Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a very simple screen capture program. Now this one is using Pyautogui, so you will need to install that through pip and then import it into your program. So import it like that and you install it like that. Pip install Pyautogui at the command prompt. Okay, so I'm going to create the function called screen capture. Right, so we're going to print off a message to the user first of all, telling them taking screen shot. And then we're going to pause it using time.sleep. I'm going to enter a value into here of 1, which is 1 second. Before you can do that, you will need to import the time module into your program here, import time. You don't need to install it through pip, it's already comes pre-installed with Python. So I'm going to create a scalar variable here called screenshot. I'm going to assign it to Pyautogui here dot screenshot here, screenshot. Right, I'm going to write in the same variable screenshot dot save, and we're going to save it as something like shot.png. Right, we want to save it in a particular directory, so I'm just going to save it onto the desktop. So I'm going to create a variable called path and assign it to C users mark desktop, and then we come down here and we do os.chddir. So we change into that path, change directory, and before you can do that you need to import the OS module, which is up here, so import that in first for that to work. Don't worry, the OS module comes pre-installed with Python. Okay, so we changed into that directory, which is the desktop, and we've printed a message to the user telling them that we're taking a screenshot. We give it a pause of 1 second, and then we take the screenshot and then we save it as shot.png, which is going to be saved on the path there above. And then all we have to do is print a message to the user afterwards, and we're going to use fstring here, simply screenshot saved, and I'm just going to simply put here, which is going to be the path. So I'm going to interpolate that. So that's about it. All we have to do now is call the program, which is called screen capture. Okay, let's save it. Let's take that screenshot. Taking screenshot saved here. Let's have a look if we took a screenshot of the desktop. Yeah, let's have a look. There you go, that's the screenshot. And we took the screenshot, not of the desktop, sorry, of the actual screen was in at the time, so we were in that and it took the screenshot. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.